Hey everybody, welcome to Hybrid Recording. I'm Brad Ziffer, and I've got something really special for you today. It's inside this box right here. As you can see, it's got the Universal Audio logo on the front, straight off the factory floor. This is the LA-2A, the most famous opto compressor in history, built in the 1960s by Teletronics, eventually acquired by Bill Putnam of Universal Audio. We're going to open this thing up. It's never been opened. We're going to unbox it, take a look, and let's get to it. Okay, here we go. We've got the box. As you can see, classic logo on the front. This is the latest revision of the LA-2A. We're going to cut this thing right open. Let's see. There we go. There we go. There it is. Okay. Box in a box. Gotta take this out. Okay. There it is. Wow, very nice. Beautiful. So what do we have here? We've got the gain knob. We've got the peak reduction to apply the compression. We've got the ability to switch between limiter and compressor mode, which changes the curves. We've got the meter options, power switch. Really looks nice. Got the classic VU meter with the Teletronics logo, and Teletronics logo up here, of course. So let's see what happens now if we open this up. There it is. Get a better look at it this way. Beautiful. Very nice. Check out the back. Made in Santa Cruz, California. That is a thing of beauty right there. So I'm going to put this up on the desk, and we'll get another look at it. This was in the bottom of the box, so we'll feature this as well. This is the Universal Audio product catalog that features their assortment of plugins and hardware pieces that come with all their items. And the operator's manual for the LA-2A, outlining all details, everything you need to know, and a wiring instruction sheet that's not actually included in the manual. So now let's take a look at it here. Okay, here it is up on the table. Gosh, I almost hate to rack it because I don't want to ruin those beautiful rack ears. But this thing is nice. And why don't we fire it up and watch that VU meter light up. So let's flick that power switch. And here we go. You ready? Oh, there it is. Little bulb up there lighting up. Got to get those tubes warmed up and ready to go. And that's it, folks. There you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of UA's LA-2A compressor. If you'd like more info on this item, check out uaudio.com or any of the fine audio retailers who are distributors of Universal Audio products. Feel free to leave comments below and let me know if this is your favorite compressor and what you love about it. And if it's not, what is your favorite compressor? And if you liked what you saw and would like to see more, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more recording content. This is Brad of Hybrid Recording, and as I always say, go hybrid and get the best of both worlds.